Hi, it's again Sergey Chernak in Berlin Immobilien. Today is October 20th, 2019, and we're talking about the news on the new law of the federal state of Berlin, and not the all German law, only the law of the federal state of Berlin. The law is called in German Mietpreisdeckel, or in English it's possible to translate like rental cap or rental freeze. So on Friday evening, the government of Berlin has agreed upon the principles of this law. But nevertheless, the law still does not exist. It still has not been written. And the unwritten law has still not been voted upon in the Parliament of Berlin. And the various real estate firms, organizations, and political parties still did not protest in the highest court of Federal Republic of Germany. So, nevertheless, many investors have started to leave Berlin. Many building projects in Berlin have been freezed. There are many gossips about the future increase in the supply of the flats on the Berlin market, but no one will sell the flats with loss. No one will rent the flats with loss, and no one will invest in the real estate market with loss. I can only predict that it will be much more difficult from now on to find an empty flat to rent in Berlin, and the demand on purchasing flats will be higher. But once again, it doesn't mean that supply will grow. Now, what is the new law is all about? First of all, it will deal only with the speculative rents, and the government of Berlin has decided that only rents that are more than 20% above the recommended level are speculative. And about the new rents, I believe that the houses that were built starting with the beginning of 2014 will be not included in this law. The law will be effective from June 18th, 2019, for 5 years at least. It will be possible to update the prices with maximum of 1.3% a year to update it with the rate of the inflation maximum. It will be also possible to charge €1 per square meter more maximum if the flat has been renovated, modernized, or the current costs has been risen. If there is need to raise the rent more than for €1 per square meter, there is a need to get a written agreement of the tenant. The government of Berlin wants to publish only next week, the table of the recommended prices, but now it's known that the recommended prices will be based on the Mietspiegel, or the list of the recommended prices of the Senate of Berlin from the year 2013. The Senate has divided the whole city of Berlin in three parts. Lower location, normal location, and upper location. It means that the recommended prices, from the recommended prices, it will be possible to diminish 20. Just a second. to subtract 29 cents per square meter from the recommended price of 2013, if the flat is located in the simple or lower location, to subtract 9 cents per square meter if the flat is located in normal location, and to add 74 cents per square meter if the flat is located in the upper location. If the law will pass the parliament and there will be no protests in the higher court, the law will start be implemented from July 2020, and will be finally implemented from December 2020. From December 2020, it will be possible to the tenants to write a written protest to the municipality of the local government on the speculative rental price that he has been charged. If you have questions, ask. Thank you very much, Berlinum Immobilien.